Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to use Meta AI for videos in WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you that the Meta AI cannot create videos based on your title. It can generate scripts for your video, and with the help of that script, you can create videos. And also it can only generate images and add some motions in that images, and that images will be like GIFs. Here you can see I do a little chat with WhatsApp Meta, and here I'm asking him to create a script based on my title, A Boy Lost in a Jungle. And if I scroll down, here is the script which Meta created for my video, and the script is pretty much good, and with the help of the script, I can create a video by myself. And if I scroll down further, here I ask him, can you create videos based on my titles? And the replay of Meta is, I don't have the ability to create videos right now. It means it can't not create videos, but maybe after some time or in future, the WhatsApp will give the ability to Meta of creating videos based on titles. However, I can help you to write a script or generate images to help bring your idea to life. It means for now, it can only generate images based on your script or your titles. And I asked him to generate an image based on my wording, and you can see here, I say, okay, then generate images of little boy. And if I scroll down, it generates the image of a boy. The image look insane and the quality of images really good. And if I scroll down more, here I ask him to make this boy more happy. And the next image is the same of the previous boy. But in this image, the boy look more happy with that dog. And if you scroll down more, here Meta said, if you want to see the image move, you can tell me to animate it. And I said to animate it. And here is the animation of Meta, and you can see it's the GIF, not the full video. And if I play it, here you can see it add some animation. I hope after watching this video you will know the Meta cannot create videos. It can generate script based on your title with the help of its AI feature, and only it can generate images and can add motion in that image. And that image will be like GIFs. So it was the way by which you can use the WhatsApp Meta AI for your videos.